Fix and List in Damascus. I am here with Mr. Stefan with PPR. We are going to check out this house here in Damascus. If you remember, it's been about a year since I've been here, but we're gonna do a fix and list on this. We just reviewed all of the work that we're gonna do and get some pricing, and then this thing will get started and we will get it cleaned up, ready for market. So stay tuned and come on the tour with us. All right, so first thing, we got a nice sag and sink here. Oh, yeah. So we just need to bring this up and make sure it pitches away. That way there's no issues. There's nothing below it. Like I was saying, this was
it's a
it should
slab,
be
I mean?
Slab, yeah. I don't believe there's anything under here.
Okay.
There's no water in the basement, so I know that much. It's been about a year since I've been here, but once we get this cleaned up, turned away, then it's fairly straightforward inside.
We're painting the whole house?
Yes.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
Can you?
Yes.
So that would, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, all of this, that needs to be repaired there. All of these windows were just replaced last year. Okay. They were bad and it was starting to cause some rot. So all the rot's been fixed, but we just need to clean up some, paint and or stain whatever we need to in here. Okay. And if we can stick with this same color.
Yeah, I mean,
because it's there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, good. And then this thing needs to be reattached.
Yeah,
it just pulled out.
I don't know what happened on top there. I guess maybe that's just how they left it.
Yeah. Because this was a screened-in porch originally. Okay. But so yeah, just clean everything up, paint it, and then I got my flooring guy coming through to do all the carpeting. Okay. And then they already fixed this, so we just have to paint that. And then in the kitchen, this was ice damming from like 10 years ago.
Really?
Happened,
so that's already been...
happened once, it was a fluke.
The leak was addressed?
Yeah, it was fixed on the outside, just not cosmetically inside. So there's no issues there.
Yeah, just a little drywall.
And then living room. Wallpaper's got to come off in the dining room. I would neutral it more just to make it feel bigger. Yeah. Get rid of the maroon on the bottom. Scrape and paint here.
Get rid of the semi-gloss too.
Yeah, get rid of the semi-gloss. Make it flat.
Ceiling white, yeah.
Ceiling white. Little nail pops and stuff. Yeah.
It's fine.
And then pops and cracks and it's just normal life. It's just settlement.
It's weird,
yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, everything's on a tape seam.
Yeah.
Wherever it's buckling, so.
I wonder if it got real humid in here. It's kind of strange. It's a lot of damage.
Possibly. All right, let's go up first since it's right here. And so wallpaper off in here. This is a little craft room, I guess.
Yeah. And then just paint.
Yep.
Okay. Easy enough.
And this room, not bad, but there's some.
It all needs to be painted.
Yeah, it just needs a good coat of paint on it. Yeah. Oh, and one thing I just noticed, clean that up a little bit.
Yeah. We have a monster in here.
Right.
Usually the damage done from a dog.
I know, right? Yep, just a coat closet there. Bathroom in here.
Same thing, just paint. You want a new fixture?
You want a new fixture? Yes.
Is it going on the market, I'm assuming?
Yes. This is one of my fix-in lists. So we're going to get it cleaned up and then it'll sell.
A long way in this house.
Yes.
It's a cool house. Just needs.
It's a phenomenal house. It's just it's dated, right?
Yeah.
And then I would even consider painting this.
Yeah, let's paint it. Yeah.
Yeah.
My guy can probably fill it and paint it a little better. Mm-hmm. We can do something with it and just caulk everything.
Yep, caulk all the corners. Yeah. Same with the bathtubs and everything in here.
Yeah.
Oh, they had tile in here. They put. I would pop all the bullnose off.
I would too. I just hope there's not a huge gap somewhere, but we'll figure it out.
Right. But yeah, just fix up the tile. There's little
grout.
grout spots here and there.
It's actually clean for the age.
The
grout doesn't look that nasty.
Right.
Okay.
And then
I see that, purple, yeah.
Apparently this was purple at some point because it got up in there and it's still a little bit on the ceiling.
Are they moving out before we do the work or now?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
That's one thing we've been...
Spray and
Right. I originally came here about a year ago.
okay.
And then bedroom number 3. Same thing, just paint it, clean it up.
You gonna put fresh carpet or
Yeah.
different kind of floor? Okay.
New carpeting all throughout.
Cheaper, easier to do.
And then the master, we got a coat closet in there.
It's in somewhat better shape, but it needs painting, yeah.
Needs a coat of paint. Same thing with the vanity. It's just worn.
Okay. Okay.
And then same thing in the shower.
If the tile's in good shape, might just leave it and regrout it. We can kind of decide that as we go.
Right.
It's not going to change the price much, you know what I mean?
Right.
Pop them off and caulk it, great, but if they're in good shape,
Yeah,
caulk around it.
that works. That works. All right, let's head to the basement. All right, let's go down towards the basement. So everything,
Yeah.
patch paint in here.
Yeah, that's a lot of patching. It's okay. Anyway, once we repaint flat, a lot of the stuff will disappear anyway.
Right.
So,
So obviously new carpet's going down here.
paint the paneling.
Yep, absolutely. They had this was a leak from like 2 years ago.
Wow, okay.
The discharge line from the HVAC
Okay.
sprung a leak, and a very slow leak at that. So they fixed the line, I believe, but this has to be redone. And then that light doesn't work. But yeah, because this line was just running into the bathroom over here.
Okay.
So yeah, it looks like they already got the line fixed,
Yeah.
which is still running back through that chase to dump outside.
Yeah, I actually saw it over there. Okay, cool. Right along that beam.
Yeah, so they got that part fixed because that line was just dumping into the shower over here.
Okay, paint the doors, I'm assuming. Yeah,
Yep.
everything we can paint.
Everything paint. Paint the vanity. We are going to drop LVP in here.
Oh, yeah, easy peasy.
And yeah, I think that's it. And then same thing in there,
Yeah,
just
just
caulk.
recaulk everything.
I don't know that this has been used much at
A
all.
little bit, yeah. We know what to do with this kind of stuff.
Yep, just, I mean, this is a
I love these kind of
very simple, quick and clean.
Yeah. Just make it look good.
Exactly. And then this bedroom, all right, no light. But
Okay, just a small room. Do you know what is the closet?
I think, yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. All the closets can just get ceiling white, right?
Yep.
That's what we do.
Yep, ceiling white. And then for the walls, because there's so much brown in here, we'll do Agreeable Gray.
I'm agreeable with that. You know what color carpet?
Something on a
gray.
gray, I like gray, on the
Light
gray
gray.
tones, yeah. But I like the Agreeable Gray because it still pulls in some of that browns,
Yes.
just
It
enough to
goes
tie
kind of with everything.
It
Yeah.
does.
Yeah. Just all this can get caulked.
Yep. And then whatever, this gas line,
What do you see?
there's a gas line there.
Oh, I see it now.
So that just needs to be strapped up, I guess. I haven't seen that before. I haven't actually looked either.
Is this for the grill or something? Maybe?
It could be for the fireplace.
Oh yeah. Jesus.
And then possibly even
that.
figure out what this random
Old light,
electric
which
wire.
May even, who knows? Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if that's hot or not, but
Jesus.
yeah. So we need to.
It's not good for selling.
No, that's a home inspector nightmare right there.
They paint the flagstone.
It looks like they did.
I've never seen this in my life ever. It's the first time.
That's new. Yes. HVAC is good.
Yeah, it looks pretty new.
It's either 15 or 23. I can't pick. I'm thinking 15 though.
For what?
The HVAC.
Oh.
Home inspector taught me years ago
Yeah.
that it's in the serial number.
Yeah, I know that,
It's
but I
either
never remember what
It's either the first two or the second two, so that's why I'm saying 15 or 23.
okay,
I'm
yeah.
leaning 15
Yeah.
just because of the colorations here a little
Yeah.
bit. We got to figure out something with the gas line.
Oh yeah, it at least needs to be attached.
Yeah,
Like,
it's got to be secured to something. It can't just
Are
hang.
you allowed to even have it? I guess so, right? It can be out like that.
Yeah, you're the real contractor. I just play one on YouTube.
But gas line. God. Could almost run it right in that little soffit right there. But I don't know, all the joists are probably right there. It's gonna
They're
be
probably right there, yeah.
all right, well, yeah, we'll figure something out.
And then
This deck.
you do soft washing?
Yeah.
Soft
You
wash?
wanna just wash the whole
Yeah.
house?
Definitely
we
this,
just use a
definitely
power-
this side.
power wash. Oh yeah, yeah, I didn't see that. Yeah, we just use a cleanser and
Yeah, just a little
power
soft wash.
washer, but low pressure.
Yep, perfect. Perfect.
What do they do? Just put new flooring on the deck, I guess? Well, this is new,
The deck is newer, yeah.
but this is old. But I think it's okay. I don't know. They don't do this anymore. Look.
Oh, the splits? Yeah.
That might pass inspection, though. I don't know.
Well, it's
I'm
doubled,
not
it's
sure.
lagged, it's doubled, and when it was done,
Yeah.
it was code.
You know you're not allowed to use this anymore, but you're right. Back then it was fine.
Right.
But this should
Tack
be
that back
reattached.
up, yeah.
Yeah. Just some
Drop a screws in there because nails tend to wiggle themselves out.
Yep. All right. So this whole thing should be screwed up a little bit. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Anything else outside or no?
No.
I mean, it's pretty clean, right?
Yeah, it's a
I
great.
don't know when you're planning on listening. You could throw some mulch or something if you want, but
Right.
we can deal with that later.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that right now. And they have a landscaper already, so.
Oh, cool. Okay, cool. All right. Maybe you think it's worth getting rid of these or no?
Ooh.
It's like shit. It's
Yeah.
gonna fall on here. And
Yeah, I would.
So
That's a
maybe
safety
even
hazard.
maybe even just cut the metal off.
I like that. Just saws all the tips.
Yeah, and what we can do is hit this and see if it breaks real easy below the surface. Fine.
Got it.
If not, mulch the shit out of it. Make this a bed later and just mulch
I like
the
it.
shit out of it. Yeah.
I like the way you think, sir.
Yeah, and this can just be hauled away and just make one nice bed here. It'd be pretty easy, really.
I like that
Nobody
plan.
wants grass there anyway, because you're going to weed whack around the posts.
Exactly.
Just make it a big bed.
All right, cool.
Yeah, and here too.
Yeah, just mulch will
Just
go.
mulch. Yeah.
Mulch
I
goes a
wouldn't even put
long way.
river rock. Oh, yeah.
Long way. But yeah, that's
All right.
it.
Pretty much it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just wrapped up here in Damascus on this new fixing list. Can't tell you where it is yet, but just met with my contractor and he's going to review everything, give me some numbers, and then we're going to start putting a plan in place for this cellar. Stay tuned and follow along if you want to see how we do this fixing list.